everybody, this is your host, the Platinum Knight, here with another Going to See video, and today's Going to See video is Project Hail Mary. This is gonna be a short one. The story behind why I saw Project Hail Mary is very ironic. Literally the day after I uploaded my top 15 anticipated movies of 2026, that's when my uncle told me about this film, expressing how much he wants to see it, cause he's heard a lot of great things about it and we should all see it. And I was just like, okay. Judging from the title, I thought it was a horror movie, but it's actually a sci-fi. This time it was the five of us. It was me, my uncle, my cousin Alex, my cousin Juan, and his wife. We saw this at an AMC theaters in a mall. It was a really nice day, and my cousin Juan actually gave me a super late birthday gift that he had his friend make for me. It's a statue of the merchant from Resident Evil 4. Thanks, cousin and Javi. This is one of the coolest things that I have ever gotten. After we got done watching the movie, people, I'm gonna tell you right now, go see it. Don't ask questions, just do it. This movie is amazing. You will not regret it. Anyways, it was also fun eating at Biagio's Pizza for some delicious New York style pizza and Handels for some ice cream. The cool thing was I ordered my favorite, which is the Cookie Monster. Usually it's in blue, but I got a limited time green Cookie Monster. Same flavor, just different color. So without further ado, here is my trip to going to see Project Hail Mary. Good morning, everybody. It is currently March 20th, and we are about to watch Hail Mary. This is gonna be the very first movie I watch in 2026. Alrighty, let's see what this movie is all about. Ooh, I love that smell of popcorn and cool air conditioning. Ooh, I got myself a super late birthday gift from my cousin Juan. Let's see. Whoa. Oh, this looks sick. Whoa. Wow. And my cousin Juan said that his friend Javi made this. Dang. Great job, Javi. Wow. For those of you that don't know, I'm a huge fan of Resident Evil 4. Thanks a lot, Juanito. And great job, Javi, for making this. Oh, I'm gonna have to make a separate video showcasing this. What are you buying, stranger? Got something that might interest you. Good question. Spider-Man? Yep. Super Mario Galaxy movie. Let's see, what else? Oh, a lot of movies. Dune 3.
Y'all want to work in the steel mill like these for steel days? Yeah, because I sure as hell don't.
Ooh.
Y'all willing to fight for it?
Michael Jackson.
Michael, I knew you were different the moment you were born. You have a very special light.
That was the greatest movie I've ever seen. Oh, bro. I think that would have to be my movie of the year already.
Wasn't even good? No, I had no idea. I didn't know anything. Until I told you. Because I keep hearing it. It's like, it's one of the greatest movies I've ever seen. Yeah.
Oh, I agree. Oh,
I
man.
never really tell you that.
Yeah, I know.
I really want to watch.
I think that looked good. Okay.
It's way too late. Biagio's Pizza!
Yeah.
Forgot. I thought today was Thursday.
It's Holy Thursday.
Ooh. Oh, I'm ready for that cheesy, greasy goodness.
My friend that sent me fucking pictures of the pizza. So you fucking have gone. I'll send her one of yours.
All right, I'm about to dig in. Ooh. Handels decided to change the Cookie Monster into green for the month. Oh, yeah. Oh, dessert. All right, I'm digging in. All right, everybody, that's it for this going to see video. That's it for me going to see Project Hail Mary. This was the first new movie that I saw in theaters of 2026. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for new videos. This has been your host, The Platinum Knight, and peace out, everybody.